Welcome to the installation guide for ValveLink Software. This guide will walk you through each step required to successfully install the latest version of ValveLink on your computer. Whether you're performing a fresh install or upgrading from a previous version, please follow the instructions carefully to ensure the software functions correctly from the start. Start by locating the ValveLink software file on your computer and copy it to your desktop. Right-click on the zip folder and select Extract Here to unzip the installation files onto your desktop. Then, double-click on the unzipped ValveLink software folder, find the file named Disk 1, and double-click to open it. And inside, find the file named Setup.exe and double-click to launch it. On the next screen, check the first option. Select ValveLink Solo and click Next. Select the language for the installation from the choices below. Then click Next. Carefully read the license agreement, then click I accept the terms of the license agreement to continue, and press Next. When starting the installation process of ValveLink, two possible scenarios may apply. If you are upgrading an existing version of ValveLink, you will see a pop-up window in the Next Step dot. This pop-up allows you to launch the license wizard to activate your license. However, if this is a brand new installation of ValveLink on a fresh system, no pop-up will appear in that case. So, before moving forward, make sure you identify whether you are performing an upgrade or a new installation. A confirmation message will pop up. Click Yes to proceed. If you're upgrading from a previous version, confirm by clicking Yes here, select folder where Setup will install files, and decide whether you want to keep or replace your existing database. Then click on Next. Confirm installation by clicking Finish to complete the installation process. But please make sure the information below is correct before continuing then. Click Finish progress screens will appear. Just wait for the installation to finish. The installation of ValveLink Software 14 has completed successfully on your computer. At this stage, you have two options. Restart your computer now. Postpone the restart and do it later. In this example, we choose to restart the computer immediately. But feel free to postpone if you want to continue the tutorial first. Once you've made your choice, click on the Finish button to complete the setup. If this was an upgrade, congrats. You are all ready to use ValveLink. If this was a fresh install, refer now to the licensing ValveLink video to continue. You should now see the startup screen, confirming a successful installation. Congratulations! ValveLink software is now fully installed and ready to use.